Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this episode of GBear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert, on December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day. So, what we're looking at are the new seed giveaway rules, and I will show these every day during the giveaway so that the rules will be understood and known, and we're going to go over them right now. So, number one, you must be a subscriber to my channel. That is the number one requirement. If you're not a subscriber, don't waste my time because I'll check, and if you're not, I'll just not enter your name. All right, and you must have a U.S. mailing address. That's where the seeds will be sent. Seeds cannot be shipped out of the U.S. Well, they can, but they require special paperwork, not only from this country, but from whatever country they're going to be sent to. And that gets a little bit too entailed for me, so it will not happen. The cost is ridiculous, and you wouldn't even receive them for anywhere from 1 to 3 months after I mailed them to you. So it's not worth my time, and it's not worth your time. So let's just say you've got to have a U.S. mailing address. All right, you're going to enter, just like last time, by commenting, "I'm in," and name your state. For example, I'm in, Texas. And that has to be done after each day's video, but before the following day's video. So anything after the first video, when the next video comes out, anybody commenting on the first video, that will not count. You won't get your entry or entries entered on the iPad. All right, so you can take up to 3 entries per day per subscriber, but you got to watch the video closely to spot a package of seeds. They'll be somewhere outside of the garden house or greenhouse. Nothing inside of either one of those places will count. So don't waste my time on those. Okay? Now, that will give you the second entry. If you see that patch of seeds, you say, "Package of seeds on the wheelbarrow." Okay, that's fine. That gets you a second entry, and I'll put it in along with your first name. Third entry, if you can see and read the package of seeds and tell me what type of seeds they are from the name on the package. For example, if it's cucumber seeds, say cucumber seeds, and that gets you a third entry on that one video. That's the maximum that you can get on the video. Don't try to do it twice. You can only do it those 3 entries per day per subscriber. Okay, so no entries after a deadline will be counted. We'll go over the deadline in a minute. Seeds are as is. There's no returns or exchanges. The quantities and types will be decided by me, GBear. There'll be no special orders saying, "I want these" or "I want those." Okay? Now, number 8. Winners must claim their seeds within 3 days from the drawing and provide an eligible mailing address. That means it can't be outside of the country. It has to be in the country. All right? Or you'll forfeit your claim to them, and I'll give them to my neighbor. Your giveaway is going to begin on December 13th, after I announce it in the video. At that point, you can start your entries. You can get 1, 2, or 3 entries per day, just according to what I said in number 3 and number 4. Okay? And winners must claim the seed. And the last entry will be on December 19th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. For those of you on the East Coast, that means you'll be 3 hours later. That'd be at 9 p.m. for you. Okay? So, drawing on December 20th during the video. And I'll do it the same way as last time. All your names will be on a list on my iPad on a randomizing app. And I'll just press the randomizing button and a name will pop up and that will be the winner. And then when I get their address, the package or the box of seeds will be mailed out to them that week within the next couple of days. Now remember, this is going to be Christmas week, so it may take a little longer for those to get to you. I don't think you'll get them before Christmas. You'll probably get them between Christmas and New Year's. And this offer is void where prohibited. That means you people out of the country, in other countries, it is prohibited for me to send you seeds without special paperwork and authorizations and an okay by the almighty government that runs our lives and tells us, no, you're not allowed to grow tomatoes in Taekwondo or wherever you live. Okay? So I will just quickly show this each day. I won't go over all of the rules each day. I'll just put it up. So in the future, anybody who wants to look at the rules, they have to just hit the pause button on the video and pause so that they can read these and make note of what has to happen. Okay? But I will put them up for each video so that you know what's going on. And remember, you cannot enter until the video is posted and you've watched through it. Okay? And each day on the video, I will probably say, well, that's it. Don't forget to get your entries in. And that means that you can probably start getting your entries in. All right, so we're going to take a walk outside. It was overcast and cloudy all day today. And I had some people who were concerned about whether I was going to have any battery power or not. Well, I've got almost 2.9 kilowatt of solar panels plus a 1680 watt wind turbine, PMA, and I had no problem. Even though there was just a mild wind, like right now, it's only running about 6 to 10 miles per hour. And it's been like that all day long. So the wind really wasn't producing anything for me, but my batteries were all above 13.6 for the whole day, even with the cloud cover out here. All right, now, remember, there's going to be a seed packet out here somewhere, and it'll be out of the ordinary. It won't be in a place where it belongs. So if you spot it, you can practice by saying, well, I saw the seed packet, and you can say where you saw it. And then, as I will in each video, I may walk past the packet pretty quickly, which doesn't give you an opportunity to see what the type of seeds they are. But then I might just turn around, or I might roam around and do some more video, and then I'll come back past it. And for some reason, I just might stop right in front of it so that you could read the packet. So anyway, let's head over here and look inside. And here we are. This is what I've got on my batteries right now. 13.4, 13.5, okay? Even in an overcast day where normally people say, well, my solar panels didn't collect anything. Well, I've got enough solar panels out there, so even though it's overcast like this, I still get power. All right, so we're gonna just take a quick walk down here because I want to make sure that I close everything up because it's a little chilly today. The winds are blowing. I have my windproof mic on so that, or wind resistant mic, so that you don't have to listen to all the wind noises. But as you can see, things are blowing a little bit over here. But like I said, it's only like 6 to 10. So I think I saw it get up to 14 at one point during the day, but really not that big of a deal. And yes, I do have the greenhouse closed, so we're fine with that. And I'm going to give you a hint that I did already walk past the seed packet that I put out here for a trial or for practice seed packet at one point during this video. And I'm going to get ready to close this video off pretty soon. So pay attention because you may get a good look at that seed packet again and be able to tell what kind of seeds are in it. So let's see. Oh, it's around here somewhere, I know. A nice barbecue, isn't it? Anyway, that's my favorite barbecue. I love doing all kinds of barbecuing in that thing. And for Christmas, I got myself a nice duck, and I'm gonna slow roast and smoke a duck in there. And I hope smoking doesn't cause cancer. All right, everybody, that's all I have for today. Tomcat's doing fine. The chickens are doing fine. Tomcat loves to go over there in my mass shower, and when it's windy like this or breezy, he usually lays on the floor if it's just a sunny day. But when the winds pick up, I have a seat in there where I can sit down and wash my feet, my ankles, that stuff, or put my foot up there to do that stuff. But he likes getting up on that seat because it blocks the wind from him, and he can lay in there and still have sun beating on him. So he's still going in his condo every night. He still sleeps in his bed, eats his food, and uses his litter box in there. And then he comes out during the day and roams around. And he's still a little spooked about going too far away from his cage, but he'll get used to that pretty soon, and he'll be out there hunting like he should. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget the contest will be starting somewhere around like the 13th, I think it was. And I will announce it. And then from that point on, we'll get going on this thing. And it's only going to be a short one. It's only going to go for like 1 week. And then we'll get the stuff mailed out. And this is going to be the last seed giveaway for a while. So you may want to make sure you get yourself into this one and contact some of your friends and say, hey, go over to GBears and subscribe and put your name in to see if you can help win those seeds. And if you win them, we'll split 50-50. How about that, huh? Because there is like better than 125 packs of seeds in this giveaway. And each one of those is $1 something per pack. So that's like, $1.40, $1.50 per pack times 125 or 130 packs of seeds. That's a lot of money. And somebody's going to be the lucky winner. So enjoy, everybody, and thank you for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up down there, and don't forget to subscribe. You can't come into the contest unless you're a subscriber. This is GBear signing off.